Hello to all my wonderful KCET champions. I hope you're doing great. Well, one very important update, and that is regarding the KCET registration. So if at all you were not able to do the registration process, do not be worried because the date has been extended until 11:59 p.m. of 22nd February 2026. So make sure you do that, but do not delay it. Do at the earliest. You have so many supporting videos that I have done. Please watch those videos as well. And I will be putting the link in the description section. Also, one very important thing, if at all you are yet to do the fee payment but you have filled in the form, do not be worried, the date has been extended for that also. It goes up to 24th of February 2026, 5:30 p.m. it will be closing. And for those who have completed their registration process and feels that I have done a mistake, you can log in again and correct all those mistakes as well. Just for your information, if at all you know, you can just ignore. If at all there is someone who is new to the channel, please understand. I've already done a video on how to do registration and also go ahead with application form filling. It's 35 minutes video. Watch it, have an understanding of what all documents you might be needing. Okay, keep it ready so that it will be easy for you to go ahead with the registration process. Now, obviously it has helped a lot of people. You can clearly see that over here. So it helped almost 1,10,000 children out there and also the parents. So yes, you can definitely think it as a resource. Second thing, all about KCET 2026. Here I have mentioned about the eligibility, as in your academic eligibility. You should be having this much percentage. Also your subject combination should be this. Then you are eligible for engineering or probably BSc nursing. There are multiple courses out there. For all the courses I have explained according to the information brochure, I have mentioned the courses offered, the subjects combination that you need for the course, and as I said, rank calculation. So is KCET rank involved, KCET marks involved, or is just 12th marks involved? There are some courses where only 12th marks are involved, no CET examination is not needed. So please know about that before going ahead for engineering. Definitely CET and qualifying examination marks is needed. And my dear children, PCMB is the combo, but PCM is the combo for engineering. But still, I'm telling you, there are chances that you might have confusions. If at all you want to clear it up beforehand, you can watch this video as well. This I have recorded, this I have put down a few days before only, so you can check it out. Okay. The third video is for Eligibility Clause A to Y, as in if you want to check whether you actually, not academic eligibility, but whether you can actually give KCET examination, because you know it should be given by children who are from Karnataka, who have completed their 7 years of study in Karnataka, or there are multiple other clauses. If you want to check whether you fit in these clauses, then make sure you watch this video. Again, the links for all these videos will be given in the description box. I'm marking it as 1, 2, 3. So basically the third video link will be this video's link. So you can watch it if you wish there is any clarity needed. Listen, if at all there is no clarity needed, there is no point of wasting time. You can just go ahead with whatever you know. Okay, only if you need my help, you can go ahead with this. Now the fourth and the fifth is important list of documents that you have generally for SC, ST, OBC category 1, Hyderabad Karnataka quota, Kannada medium quota, rural quota, and NCLC, non-creamy layer certificate for general merit. All of it about it is discussed over here in the fourth video. In the fifth video, I spoke about the SNQ quota for general merit category children. You can also avail for SNQ quota if at all your fee, if at all you want to claim for fee exemption. Okay, so there are chances you can do that. But again, if at all you want to check your eligibility and also know the list of documents, there is another video that I have done. The thumbnail looks like this. Again, I have given you the link in the description section. If at all you do not find the link, please put it down in the comment section. Okay, there might be an error by the team, I'm not sure, but yes, okay, we'll try to make sure that it is provided to you. If not, please let us know as well. Yeah, okay. Now the sixth video is the new rules. Who will not get the printout of the form? So some people might be worried that they are not getting the printout of the application form. Please know there are some people who will get it and there are some who will not get it as of now. So have an understanding of that. Again, a video has been done, only 6 minutes video, so you can definitely watch it if at all you need to have a clarity on that. Now that's all for now, and if you think that this video had helped you, definitely do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And by the way, everyone who is preparing for KCET, one very important thing, we have launched KC30 batch for KCET examination. It's a 30-day comprehensive online crash course that we have, and basically the start date for this is after your boards, 21st March, that is just after your boards. Over here we will be covering PU1 as well as PU2. There will be KCET PYQs in test format. Apart from that, in recorded format also you will get solutions and everything. There will be 10 full length KCET mock test as well. And for all of it, the price is rupees 2499 as of now. It is ending on 25th February. The offer price is ending on 25th February. So make sure you check it out. And also, if at all you just want to have a look at a mock test, okay, those of you preparing for KCET and just want to have a look at mock test, my dear children, in the description section again there will be a link, free KCET mock test PDF. You just have to click on the link, put in the number, and then you will get the PDF. So if that helps, you can definitely have a look at that. And there will be live online doubt clarification classes as well. So that is also sorted. So yes, again the link for that also will be given in the description section. Wishing you all the best. Please take care of yourself. If you have any more doubts, do let us know, and do not be in panicky mode. Everything is going to go all right. Okay, so bye bye, take care.